Hello everyone, so if you want to record sounds on your Xiaomi Redmi A3 using the voice recorder app, first of all let's install it. So open up your Play Store. Now you're to find your voice recorder, so press search and here you're to find voice recorder. Here it is. Choose your voice recorder. For example, let's use something like this. They're all pretty much the same. Now press install. Now press open. Alright, so now you're to choose what you want to record. For example, let's record in a standard quality. Press record. You'll be prompted to give necessary permissions. Press do this, so press while using the app. Press allow. And now we got our recording on. So here you can make some marks on the recording. Alright, you can pause it, you can keep on if you're gonna press this red button. However, if you're satisfied, press pause and press save. Now you can give it some kind of name. You can give it any tag, voice note, meeting, lecture, music. Press save. Alright, now we have our recordings in this section right here at the bottom. So choose your recording, you can listen to it. Now if we're gonna press on these three buttons, we can rename it, we can trim it, we can continue recording, or we can delete it by pressing on this trash icon. Choose move to trash or delete permanently. I'll delete it permanently, and basically that's it. Easy is that. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.